Hi everyone, my name is Shelly and I'm doing the reverse engineering assignment for today, which is median age at first marriage. Uh, what I did, my first step was to go to Makeover Monday, which we're now seeing on the screen is this information here. What I did was I clicked on median age of first marriage, the data link, and after data link, I clicked data link. I got transferred to this page, which on the right says launch workspace, open third-party app. The third-party app, of course, is Tableau. So I launched Tableau. And when I launched Tableau, I got the option to copy the link and to export, to paste it into Tableau. So I copied the link, closed out the box, opened Tableau, and when I opened Tableau, I went to Web Data Connector and I pasted the link and pressed enter. After I pressed enter, I was prompted to put in my username and password, which I did. And once I did that, it generated the information and took me to the data source in Tableau. So after I did that, I went into worksheet. When I went into worksheet, I got, of course, my workbook, and I put the name into rows, which is the name is a state. So I put that into rows, and then I wanted to filter by age, so I dragged the age to filter. And after I did that, I dragged the name from tables into detail. And when I dragged it into detail, I got like a little bit of a scatter plot here. So after I got the scatter plot, I realized that there's like an outlier here, which is, kind of far from everything else. So I wanted to get rid of that outlier, which was Washington, D.C. Well, I shouldn't say get rid of it, but make it easier to see the scatter plot and not have it so jumbled up. So to do that, I went to name, create, set. And after I did that, I selected District of Columbia, exclude. And the name that I named the set was exclude DC. I excluded that, and I got exclude District of Columbia, which I put into filters. And after I put it into filters, the scatter plot was more easy to see. It was more evenly distributed. So that's what I did. Then now we can see the scatter plot better. So then my next step was to edit, go to the median age and edit it to exclude 0. So I unchecked that box, and when I unchecked that box, I got more the scatter plot that more looked like the one on the website, and I wanted the circles to be filled in. So I went to marks, then I selected circle, and now we have the circles filled in to look like more like a scatter plot, how scatter plots look. So we have, then go to marks, circle to full circles, and scatter plot. Yes. So I did that, and this is how my work looked on the Excel worksheet. So I copied, I right-clicked on the information, and then to select copy, and then image. Yeah, so I wanted to copy the image. So this is the image of the scatter plot. And here I wanted to show each state that represented the dots on the scatter plot. So I took the name and dragged it into labels to show each state, and this is where we're able to see the different states on the scatter plot. So it shows, yes, it shows the states, and I copied the image, and this is what the image looks like. And I also wanted to have the table with the information, so I right click on this on the table, and then I selected data and copied the data onto at the end of the information so we could see the median age by state. Okay, thank you.